us about, when did you have surgery?
Had surgery yesterday morning.
Uh-huh.
Dr. Fred Morgan.
How far did you walk yesterday?
One lap around the perimeter here, around the nurse's station.
And how about today?
I'm on my 5th lap this morning. And very little pain, almost no pain. Absolutely fantastic.
Good. And how about the people at the hospital?
I will have to say I've had surgery at 2 or 3 different places, and by far the staff here is the most professional. And I'm not just saying this because they're staring at me, but I mean it. Everyone has been so professional, so friendly, checking on you, making sure you have what you need. It has been a first-rate experience all the way around.
I'm glad to hear that. Well, why don't you turn around there? Let's see how you walk.
Do that turn right. I know what that's a big deal. Turn right.
I'm not sure if I can keep up with you.
I think we need